Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca. I'm here to talk to you. Today we're gonna be unboxing my Nespresso pod order. Now I did another video like this and thank you so much. That video is still going strong. That is probably my most viewed video, which is crazy because I'm a beauty channel. It just shows that a lot of people love coffee, they love Nespresso, and they're curious to see what people get in their boxes. I think I was the first to do a video like this because when I was searching for Nespresso coffee unboxing hauls, I didn't find any, so I wanted to do one. So again, we're here. I ordered some Nespresso and I thought I would share it with you guys. So if you want to see what I got in my box, stay tuned. Before we get started, just wanted to say thank you for tuning in to this video and my channel. I really appreciate it. And throughout the video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, leave me comments. I would love to hear what you guys think of the video. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. Now, in my first video, there were some haters, which I clearly stated in my video that I am not a coffee connoisseur. I was simply just sharing my love for Nespresso with you guys and what my favorite flavors were, and I got some negative Nancy's on my page. So I would appreciate it if you would keep your negative comments to yourself. All other comments are welcome. So let's go ahead and get into the video and the box. So I ordered, I ordered 8 boxes this time. Now each box comes with 10 pods. They're all different in price. I'll put the Nespresso website down below in my description, so if you're interested in a certain flavor, you can see how much it is a pod. Again, Nespresso is pretty pricey. From the previous video, I told you guys that the Mexico blend was my favorite, so I ordered 2. I don't know if you saw the first video or not for those of you watching right now, but I do have the Nespresso Vertuoline, which is like the newer version and it has the bigger pods. So the original Nespresso has like the smaller little cups. I love the Mexico blend, so I had to get 2. This is my go-to coffee when I want to, well, I drink coffee every morning, but it's like my go-to when I don't really know what I want to drink. If I want a certain flavor, this is a great coffee to fall back on. It's really smooth, not too strong, not too weak. Love it. Right in the middle. So again, for a little variety, I wanted to order 2 like flavored coffees, and these are the 2 that are my favorite and my husband's favorite, so I had to get a box each. I got the vanilla custard pie. Looks like this, and so it's vanilla and it's a little bit creamier of a flavor. I know before they came out with like the pies and the cake and the muffin kind of flavors, they had just like a regular vanilla flavor, but then they changed it to vanilla custard pie, and I noticed that to me it tastes a little bit more creamier, kind of like a pie. I don't know if they actually changed flavors or if it's just me subconsciously. I don't know. I got one of these. It's a great flavor if you love vanilla. And then the other one that I got, because I just can't pick between the 2, so I had to get one of each, is the caramel cookie. This is what the box looks like. And again, it's very light. It has a slight flavor to it, and I always drink my coffees the same exact way. I use about a teaspoon of sugar. Sometimes I'll use 2 teaspoons, and then I'll do like more than a splash of half and half in every single cup of coffee. That's what I do. That's my preference. Let's move on. So I did have to try a new one, so I can't really tell you much about this one yet. And this one sounded good, and I don't know how long it's been up on the website, but this is called the Reviving Origins Kahawa Ya Congo. Kahawa. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Reviving Origins is our long-term program, which we partner with blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so they have different flavors and it's Reviving Origins. So with this particular Congo one, it says the rain-rich volcanic soils along the Kivu lake shores of eastern Congo are ideal Arabica territory. Years of continued conflict and political instability leave many plantations abandoned and smallholder farmers tapping only a small fraction of Congo's potential for specialty coffee. Congo is still a scarce treasure to behold, but each year will bring you more of the smooth organic coffee with its mild fruity note and alluring sweet cereal and nutty aromas. Just letting you know that's what that says on the back of the box. So this is the new Congo edition, and I'll let you know what I think about this maybe in the comments below after I try it. I think I'll try this one tomorrow. Sorry, my hair is falling out. I just did a cosplay for my Instagram and I don't do my hair normally, so it's like all falling out now. I accidentally hit it, but just bear with me. To mention the Congo box, I got one of those just because I had never tried it before. So the last thing that I got in my box, and I had to get 3 because it's seasonal, and this is actually the whole reason why I wanted to reorder my Nespresso, was because they came out again with the pumpkin spice cake. And I used to be a huge Starbucks fan, and ever since I got an espresso, I really don't go to Starbucks anymore. And I was never really into their pumpkin spice, to be quite honest with you. But I love the Nespresso pumpkin spice. So I had to get 3 boxes. I hope you guys loved this video. I know so many of you guys loved my first video. Thank you so much. It's still going strong. But anyways, Nespresso is great, and these are the flavors that I like. Some reoccurring ones, and then there's a new one thrown in there. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell. I would love to hear your guys' comments, and please follow me on Instagram. That is where I do most of my stuff. I take pictures, I do cosplay, face paint, and beauty, and I would love it if you would follow me there. So thank you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.